Let's be real. Coding is exciting, but without the right tools, it can feel like trying to build a rocket with a butter knife. The good news? There are some game-changing tools that make development easier, faster, and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, mastering these will save you time, frustration, and maybe even your sanity. Let's dive right in and explore these must-have tools. First up, the code editor that almost every developer swears by, Visual Studio Code, VS Code. It's lightweight, fast, and packed with extensions that turn it into a supercharged coding machine. Debugging, Git integration, AI-powered code suggestions, it's all here. Second, Git and GitHub. Because no one wants to lose their hard work to a single mistaken command. Git helps you track changes in your code. GitHub lets you collaborate with other developers seamlessly. Plus, recruiters love seeing an active GitHub profile. So if your GitHub is empty, start pushing some commits today. Third, Figma. Ever worked with a designer who sends you a million PNGs? Yeah, not fun. Figma solves that. It's a web-based design tool where developers and designers collaborate in real time. No more back-and-forth emails asking for the latest version. Just open Figma and access the most up-to-date designs instantly. Moving on, if you're working with APIs, Postman is your best friend. Instead of writing code just to test an API, you can send requests, get responses, and debug everything inside Postman. It saves time, avoids frustration, and honestly, makes you look like a pro. Okay, let's be real. No developer writes code without Googling errors. And where do we all end up? Stack Overflow. It's the holy grail of coding solutions. Someone, somewhere has already faced and solved your problem. Just don't copy-paste blindly. You will regret it. Six, Codepen. Front-end developers, this one's for you. Codepen is like a playground for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Need to test a small UI component or share a quick snippet? Codepen makes it super easy. Plus, you can explore other developers' creations for inspiration. 7. Notion. Need to keep track of project ideas, code snippets, or even a learning roadmap? Notion is the ultimate productivity tool for developers. It's like your second brain, but without the memory leaks. Organize, plan, and take notes. All in one place. 8. Docker. Have you ever written code that works perfectly on your computer but completely breaks on someone else's? With Docker, that excuse is officially dead. It lets you package your app and its dependencies into a container so it runs exactly the same on any system. No more, but it works on my laptop. Docker makes sure it works everywhere. 9th, Jira. If you're working on a team, Jira is probably the best and worst tool you'll use. Jira is a project management tool designed for developers and teams to plan, track, and manage software development. It helps streamline workflows, track bugs, and organize sprints efficiently, ensuring that tasks are completed on time and teams stay aligned. Yes, it can feel overwhelming, but once you get used to it, your workflow will thank you. Lastly, Webpack. If you're dealing with front-end projects, Webpack is a must for optimizing your assets. It bundles your JavaScript, compiles your CSS, and makes your site load blazing fast. Instead of manually adding tons of script files, Webpack bundles everything together for you, making your project more efficient and easier to manage. And that's it. These tools will seriously level up your development workflow. Which one is your favorite? Or did I miss one that you swear by? Drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more awesome dev content. See you in the next one.